Every government project begins with one crucial step: baseline data. It tells us the true picture of a community, their needs, their challenges, and their opportunities. Without it, projects are built on guesses, not facts. Here in the Philippines, baseline data is collected through surveys, barangay assemblies, and on-the-ground data collection. This allows the government to see beyond the numbers and get a real sense of the community's priorities and concerns. Once baseline data is gathered, it's time to plan. How will we address the issues raised by the community? What are the indicators that we will use to measure our progress? How much will this project cost? Baseline data makes sure that the answers to these questions are not based on guesswork, but on the actual needs of the community. During implementation, baseline data serves as the map. It directs every step of the project, ensuring that government activities are focused on addressing the real problems that the community faces. It helps to allocate resources efficiently, to set realistic targets, and to monitor progress along the way. Imagine, for example, that your classroom is in danger of collapsing. With baseline data, we can measure the exact dimensions of the structure, identify the materials needed for repair, and estimate the cost of renovation. This allows the government to set aside the necessary funds for the repair and ensure that the school gets the help it needs. But baseline data does more than just inform project planning and implementation. It also builds accountability. When the government has a clear understanding of the baseline, it can track progress and demonstrate the impact of its projects. This is important for building public trust and ensuring that projects are completed on time and on budget. Think about those families who have no access to safe drinking water. Through baseline data, the government can identify the sources of contamination, determine the cost of water testing, and develop a plan to provide safe water. By setting clear targets and monitoring progress, the government can hold itself accountable to the people it serves. Because at the end of the day, government projects are for the people. And baseline data ensures that no one is left behind. It is the foundation of real change. This is the first episode of our new series, Why Baseline Data Matters. Stay tuned for more updates.